So scenarios is nothing but stories for design, that is rich stories for interaction. It is the simplest representation. It is more flexible and powerful. Like scenarios can be used to communicate with others. Then you can validate other models and you can understand the dynamics. So I will tell you, it is nothing but a representation of a system. So scenarios, you're going to represent the system in a graphical manner. I will show you a sample scenario. See here, look at the diagram here. This is a sample scenario. So by looking at this, you can identify what the system is. Okay. So the scenarios are a source that can be used and reused throughout the design process. So it will help us to know what is wanted. It will suggest how user will deal with the design. Then it will also help to check whether the proposed implementation will work, and it also helps in generating the test cases for the final evaluation. Okay, so these are all the main features of scenarios. Why we need scenarios? Okay, it will tell you what you want. So what is actually wanted can be understand from the scenario, and scenarios will tell you how the user will deal with the design. Then scenarios will help you to check whether your implementation is working properly, and your scenarios will help you to generate test cases for the final evaluation. I hope you all know what is the meaning of test case. In skill rack, when you are doing your programming challenges and all, you will be having some test data, like to test your logic. So whatever program you have written, they will give you some variety of inputs in all the conditions, maybe from the lower boundary to the upper boundary, like negative values, then 0, and to the positive some maximum values, boundary values, which is generally the term used is boundary values. So they will give you some different test cases to check whether your logic works fine for all types of input. So your scenarios will help you to generate the test cases also for evaluating your project. Okay.